Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, June the 4th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those three regular puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku, the 4 stars, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles we have here. Let me show you. First one is the letter Sudoku. We have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, weather news. Yeah, weather news. There's heavy rainfall in Germany. This is Germany. And yeah, high water. All the rivers are too high. So it's coming to here, high water in the Netherlands. In a few days. Enough about the weather. Let me start with the first puzzle. First puzzle is a 3 stars puzzle. 3 stars puzzle number 8650. Let me zoom this. 8650. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. The first one has 26 printed digits. 8650. 26. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 22. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. Should be a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the 6 in this row, 6 in the last row? So the row between only 2 places, level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the second column. So the column next, the only the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for 4 should be there. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 1 should be there. 3, 4, 7. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 in the second row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Here we have a 9, here we have a 9, okay. About the 3, how about the 2? About the 6. The 4. We have a pair. The 2, the 2 and the 4 in this row. The 2 and the 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Right. Then 7, 5, 8. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the numbers 7, 5, and 8. We have a 7, 5, and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 5 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 7, 5, and 8 goes in those 3 boxes. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? The numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 1 and the 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so what are these 2 missing numbers now in the third column? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes at there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes at there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3, 3. 1, 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, no need 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes at there. 6. Oh, 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And now, let me see. 2, 2, 9, 9, okay. 9, 7, need 8. No, 9, 7, 5. 2, 2. Okay, 5, 5, 5. Let me think. Oh, yeah. Alright. Alright, I'm back. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9, yes. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Alright, how about these 3 boxes? 5, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 5. Yeah. 7, 8, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. Only place left for the 3 should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there, so 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 goes together. I believe the 9, yeah, 9. We have a pair, the 5 and the 9 in this row. the 5 and a 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left with 5 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then let me see. Need a 7 here. In this column, we need a 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here or there. We see another 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. A 1 digit left in the middle column for the ma. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Then, let me see. 5 and a 9. Well. About the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 4 in the first row. 4 in the second row from the third row. Only place left for 4 is should be there. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 now in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for the amount. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left. The 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the third row. 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left here in this row. Oh, wait, 4 and 7. We have a 4 already in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.